Hello, my name is Matt and I work with AmpUp's government and utility team. We've created a series of videos summarizing important incentive programs to support our hardware, installation, and distribution partners. These incentive programs, administered by utility companies and government entities, are designed to encourage and financially support the deployment of EV/SCE infrastructure and related hardware. In this video, we'll describe Southern California Edison, or SCE's, Charge Ready program and how you can become an approved vendor and participate in this program. Southern California Edison is an electric utility and subsidiary of Edison International, which is headquartered in Rosemead and provides electricity to around 15 million people in Southern California. SCE's incentive program aimed at supporting EV infrastructure deployment is called the Charge Ready program. The program offers support to several types of program applicants, including operators of commercial buildings, public sector properties and municipal facilities, and multifamily property owners and operators. Multifamily properties include apartment buildings, retirement communities, condominiums, mobile home parks, and university and military housing, among many other types. Now, this is where things get a little more complicated. The Charge Ready program provides support through 3 different offerings depending on the property type, the number of EV charging station ports installed, station ownership, and property location. Under the turnkey installation offering, SCE owns and maintains the charging equipment. We believe that the charging infrastructure and rebate offering is the most applicable option for our partners. The charging infrastructure and rebate offering provides maintenance and networking support and/or make-ready costs to installers. It will provide rebates for both utility and make-ready infrastructure work, as well as up to 80% of the costs if the customer does the work on their own. Now, please bear with us a bit as we take you through the program process. First, applicants must submit an application and site plan online. SCE program administrators will review the application and reach out to the applicant to schedule a site visit. The utility will conduct additional design and plan reviews. If and when SCE approves the project, applicants will need to sign a program participation agreement and will need to provide SCE with proof of equipment purchase within 45 days. The applicant will need to install the equipment and then provide SCE with final documentation to receive full rebate support. There are also a few other requirements. Applicants must install 4 or more ports and keep the stations in good working order for a minimum of 10 years. Stations must be networked and usage and pricing information must be shared with SCE. As a partner or customer of AmpUp, this should not be a problem. Our platform allows for easy access to this data in convenient formats. Applicants will also need to enroll in the utility's time of use rate plan and demand response program. Participation in these programs will aid the utility and help them better manage energy demands and the impact of EV charging on the grid. Applicants should be aware that reimbursement for upfront costs may take some time. Finally, in order to participate as a hardware provider, you'll need to be approved by SCE. The utility maintains an approved vendor list, or an APL, on its website for reference. This list is downloadable in Excel form and is broken down into eligible hardware, vehicle-to-grid technologies, and network providers. To become an approved vendor, you'll need to email the Charge Ready program at chargereadyapl@sce.com for more information. We want to thank you for watching this presentation on SCE's Charge Ready program. AmpUp is grateful to its hardware and installation partners, and we encourage you to view our other instructional videos as well. We look forward to our continued work with you in bringing clean transportation to communities across the country. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns by contacting our government and utility team at gnu@ampup.io. Thank you.